dog.
What? What?
Zoom in, you fuck.
Me too, you West Side gangster. Sweet. Sweet. Dude. Man, you're hardcore.
No, don't touch it, please.
Dude, you're hardcore gangster with your Harry Potter shirt.
Huh? Yeah,
You're hardcore gangster with your Harry Potter shirt.
Blingin'.
How'd you get so gangsta?
I know, it's just
Cause just looking at you white people make me want to go on the other side of the bridge.
There's no bridge.
Where's the bridge
Yeah,
at?
and you guys from West Side, I'm from
Your butt.
North, and your butt are ugly, and you're so ugly, and I don't know you.
That's it.
Why don't you little crackers just go skate yourself down to the skate?
Yeah, we just wanted some good footage.
And there's the other girl.
Hey, you're a cracker.
Yeah, you're white too.
Yeah, don't even say
Yeah,
that.
she's black.
She's white chocolate, huh?
She's as
You
black as
look
a polar bear. Oh, yeah.
You look like you were born for a Chinese family.
I know.
And you look like...
No, dude, I'd feel bad if I actually. Oh yes. I could duke it out with you. Dude, fucking. I can't even manage.
Grab the fucking shit.
Alright.
Come on, DJ!
Let me just grab this point of 80
DJ,
real quick.
Grab it!
Grab it. Grab bag. Grab bag. At a weird angle. Let me just grab it. And yeah.
You're gay. Look at this shirt I got, dude. Whoever tried to do it made the string so tight that it like broke. Just try it anyway. It's too hard because the strings are like seriously a foot away.
You have to press so hard, dude.
It's ridiculous. You suck, Omar.
It's not my guitar, man. He told me it was all warped and shit.
God damn it.
I don't really
How did
care,
you get
dude.
that out of tune?
It's been sitting here. I play it. I just don't really care, dude.
So I start punching it.
Dude,
So what are we doing here?
let's go to Mark's
I
house.
thought we were gonna like have a mad skate sesh.
Hey, Black Smells, who fight your people?
Back up, bitch. Who's your motherfucker name? Ice Cube. Oh, backwards! With me, the police are gonna have go Tondo. Yo, weekly, monthly, yearly. The motherfuckers keep doing it. I have the capital CBD. Whatever his name. You better.